Oh man, I can't believe it. Got flashed by a speed camera. Can't be me. Surely not. Well, isn't this nice? Literally can't recommend this place enough.
Team M49 to Portishead and Powys and Brecon.
Take it real soon. You know we got what you need, baby. So take it, move along. I said we got what you need, honey. Come and groove along. Come on.
So today I'm en route to southwest Wales, down to Cardigan for work, and then I'm going to head over to Bristol tomorrow and then up to Nuneaton for work again. So I'm going to find somewhere down in Wales on the coast to stay tonight in a T4. It is a nice day. Thank God, we've had loads of storms. Well, storms in the UK aren't really like what they are in America, are they? Everybody gets battening down their hatches in the UK for some heavy rain, heavy wind. Yeah, it's been pretty bad. But we haven't had any tornadoes. Well, at least the weather's good today. Blue skies, bright sunshine, and I'm headed to the coast. I'll find myself somewhere nice to sleep tonight. Find somewhere nice to eat tonight. Gonna pull over and get myself something to eat because I am hungry. So I've had the van in for some work. I just picked up from the garage before I set off, and I thought I'd take it for a good run, so that's why we're going down to Wales. So a brief service description, got it all here. So full service pollen filter, there's a blowing noise which they've fixed, and air filter housing was not closed, they've done that. Driver's upper door seal, I need to do that, I've got wind coming in through the door. Brake light, sliding door seal. So replace the engine oil, air filter, fuel filter, pollen filter, refitted air filter housing, and managed to get housing to shut correctly because it was left wide open by another garage. Front brake pads, CV boot.
going back to the ex. I wonder if the sex has changed. For the house where we live, she's had it rearranged. Oh, it sounds like a pain. I'm putting up with her game. I'm going back to the ex once again.
Very windy today, very cold in Wales. Just taking a little break from driving. Still got a good hour and a half to go. Not sure where we go here. Red kites up there in the sky. I don't know if you can see that. Whew! What, fridge magnet over red kite? Couldn't resist. Knackered, absolutely shattered. I've just finished work. Now it's time to find somewhere to pitch up for the night and get some food down in neck hole. Just parked up in a little town here. Check it out. Cardigan town centre. I'm going to tell you that I found a place to stay for the night. I'm going to drive down, go take a look, and as with any good video, let you know what I think when I get there. I might end up moving on, you never know, but let's see what it looks like, eh? Parked up, but there's a lot of signs around saying that this car park is liable to flooding. Apparently you can park up on the top section, but I'm just not feeling it. Nah, I think I'm gonna move on, find a new spot. But before I do, I'm gonna show you something. Apparently that is an Indian restaurant. Champagne, the restaurant and takeaway, fully licensed, authentic Indian cuisine. Nice. Now I'm gonna head off, I think, see what else I can find. Alright, so plan B, I'm going to drive about 20 minutes from this car park to a little pub called the Nag's Head Country Inn, and reviews on search for sites say that it's decent. They've got some good food, so I'm hungry. I'm going to sit in and have a meal and get myself set up for the evening, so we'll see what that looks like when we get down there, yeah? Better get this place set up. Get the bed ready, TV, and then I'm gonna head over to the pub and get some food and come back here and chill in bed. Check this out. Are you telling me that doesn't look cozy? Oh, yeah. And the heat is working. I've had the most awesome meal in that pub. I had lamb, and it was lamb rump, and it was done pink, and it was beautiful. I mean, you got to, when in Wales, you know, you got to have a lamb. Anyway, I'm going to call this video today a wrap. I'll get back to you in the morning.
Morning all.
Just woke up in this lovely pub car park, and it's raining quite a bit. The weather's nothing like it was yesterday. I'm gonna get some breakfast, hit the road. Definitely breakfast time. I'm gonna go and get myself a nice full Welsh coffee. See if I can't get these little canisters refilled for the journey. Well, isn't this nice? Just waiting on breakfast now. Dying for the loo, but I think they've shut the door. Literally can't recommend this place enough. Nag's Head Country Inn. The service is incredible, the food is even better, and you get to stay in their pub car park, which is nice and flat, quiet. Better get on the road back to England.